Hi guys, in this video we will see how to check your physical network connection status, it's working or not. You can easily check by a simple command. If you want to check your available network connection, then you can easily check it. Right click on start button, choose run. You may press Win+R shortcut key to launch run dialog box, and here in run dialog box type the command ncpa.cpl. This command will show all your available network connections in your Windows 11 and 10 system. You can see all available connection is visible here. Now we will see how to apply a ping test to check your physical network connection. Simple, go to Windows search and type cmd and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. Click on run as administrator, a pop-up window will appear, choose yes, and in command prompt Windows execute the command ping 8.8.8 and press enter, and you can see your ping test is successfully running, and you can see a ping statistics for it. Packet sent 4, received 4, lost 0, means your physical network connection is working properly. If no any reply you receive, then it means your network is not working properly. So you can easily check your available network connections through ping test in Windows 11.